Now, I request our school captain Dikshu to greet our guest with a token of love, a sapling.
Good morning, distinguished guests, respected teachers, and all the contestants. I am so grateful to welcome you all in the 11th Sahodaya Inter-School Declamation Competition. I feel privileged to offer you a warm welcome on behalf of Minda family. The practice of giving prestigious Rolling Trophy has started 14 years ago in the memory of late Shri Shadilal Minda. The doyen of Minda Group of Industries was a leading industrialist who was also renowned for his philanthropy. The school family continuously working on the vision and guiding principles enshrined by the founding father, Shri S.L. Minda, and inspiring every child to reach his potential. A special thanks to our judges for accepting our invitation on a short notice. Multi-talented scholars from distinguished schools of the city are present here. We are delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome we can, as every new experience brings its own maturity and a greater clarity of vision. I hope today's declamation will give us a memorable learning experience and help us grow to be more productive and smart. Good luck and good wishes to all the contestants. Keep moving forward with determination. Many great things are in store for you in future. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
I ask who is shaping that future? Parents, teachers, or people hiding behind screen with filters and followers?
What if I tell you that? Even after completing my bachelor's and master's, still I am not able to get one particular job. This, my friends, is not a fictional story, but the harsh reality of more than 65% Indians denied for employment every single day.
Begin with a familiar real life scenario from our daily lives. A student earns for the first time, not a big amount, but his own. He feels a sense of
Know that according to global surveys, more than 60% of young people struggle to manage their own money.
that the most dangerous weapon in the world today is not a gun, not a bomb, and not even an army, but a false message. According to me, democracy survives on one lifeline, that is truthful information.
Is not declared, it is demonstrated. Not by possession, but by performance. Greetings to one and all present over here. I just number 5, and today I'm here to talk about a modern day illusion. The illusion of putting degrees above skills.
Skills, no degrees. Yesterday, while traveling on a bus, I noticed a young man repairing another passenger's laptop. He worked with such speed and confidence that even
People sitting next to you have the same caste as you? Do they follow the same religion? Do they at least have the same political ideology as you? If your answer is no, then that person is a threat.
And everyone present here. Today, I stand before you to talk about the challenge of misinformation in Indian democracy. A single message.
honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow explorers of the future. Look at this. For many of us, this piece of paper represents a dream.
Channel. So today's vlog is about my Goa trip day 3. So the outfit for today is this. Oh, sorry, it's not the time for vlogging. A very good morning.
21. The number of social media users have reached 4.20 billion, which represent 53% of
Just glittering online lives often appear more real than reality itself.
A teenager today may not know a scientist, a writer, or a freedom fighter, but they can instantly recognize an influencer who sells them perfect
And not. The only thing that matters is what skills do you have, what you can do, and what do you bring to others.
Like Rohit. Come like Rohit Sharma. Like this. You are a champion.
Once again, give a huge round of applause for Pawan.
Years we have completed, and the support we get from the principals, all the principals, tremendous. We thank you for coming here.